Hello everyone. Welcome to attend the ISRE Exhibition 2021. This is the online show. This is Jack Ma from Shenzhen Lamp. And now we are at Shenzhen Lamp's booth. During the online show, we have many great activities. Also, new products launch and stocks promotion with discount and gifts. So please stay with us. Okay, now follow our camera to start the live show. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Catherine. Nice to meet you all. Welcome back to our broadcast room. Now, I would like to introduce our commercial and fan page products. The first of all, I would like to give you the basic features of our BNX series. Yeah, as you can see, this is our BNX series. The cabinet size is 500 by 250 millimeter. And as you can see here, you can see it is so slim and compact bedside. Its thickness only 48 millimeters. So once you install it on the wall, mounted on the wall, it looks very concise and simple, right? And then I would like to introduce how many pitches it has. The pitches its smaller pitches is 1.5, and then 1.9, 2.6, 2.9, 3.9. Full options. And it has multiple sizes for achieving different screen size. This one is 500 by 250 millimeter, and it also includes 1000 by 250 millimeter and 7500 by 205 millimeter, and the biggest size is 500 by 1000 millimeter and 500 by 500 millimeter, and 750 by 500 millimeters. So total 6 types of cabinet size. So whenever your screen is multiple size of 250 millimeter, it is feasible to achieve different types screen size you have. So this is the all basic features of this BNX cabinets. And as you can see, this one is our indoor solutions, indoor fixed installation. So its brightness is normal indoor is 1000 nits, and it still has the semi-outdoor solutions. Semi-outdoor solutions is usually to be used behind the window, directly facing the sunlight. So it normally requests for the brightness is up to 3,500 nits, or even higher is 4,500 nits. Yeah, so whenever you install the screen behind the window and like retail stores as a banner screen on the retail store shopping mall, you can apply this one. And as you can see, this cabinet, it looks so concise and very accurate, right? So because it is the die casting cabinet, it makes the position more accurate, and it will be resistant to the deformation after the long time use. And then the next part I would like to introduce is connection. Its connection. As you can see, this is the power cable, right? And then this is the signal cable. Our signal cable usually use the crystal connector Cat5. And then two cabinets. Two cabinets connected. There will be no cables can be seen behind our cabinets. When you what? Sorry. Okay, just go on. So you can see once you connect into cabinets, and then you will see there will be no cables will be appears or visible after behind the cabinets. It looks very concise, and there is no space for the behind of the screen. And as you can see, the back side of the cabinet is total flat, right? So if you don't want to make any steel structures for installing the BNX series, so you can directly bolt it with screw into the wall. There will be no spaces behind the BNX to do the installation and service work. And how to install our BNX cabinet? As you can see, as you can see, there is screw holes for the BNX series cabinet. Yeah, 3 holes. So we just used our screws and connected 2 cabinets together and combined it 2 cabinets, right? And then our BNX series also visible for many customized solutions. The first one is the Kiln solution. As you can see, the side can be cut as 45 degrees, and then you can make it to be the visible to be the curved shape. Concave and convex is also, both are visible, and then you can also make it a corner screen solutions. So it is very convenient to be installed in retail stores, shopping malls, to do different kinds of the shapes of screen. It makes it more attractive for our clients. And the next, I would like to show you the inside the cabinet. What is the appearance is. Let our technicians, Mr. Yu, to show you how to do the service work of this cabinet. Yeah, use our magnetic tools, and then pull off. Yeah, you can see pull off the module. And I would like to show you the back side of the. Yeah, you can see just PCB module just connected, which connected to the cabinet with the cable, flat cable. And as you can see, because there is no cases behind the module, it makes the heat dissipation is more quicker than the module with the cases, and it makes the screen more slim. That's why our cabinet thickness is just 48 millimeters. And inside the cabinet, as you can see, here is the receiving card and the hub. And here, this part will be, the power supply will be installed inside the cabinets. And then our cabinet also could do the power supply and the receiving card redundancy. So if you have any customized requests from your clients, would like to do the signal redundancy and the power redundancy, our cabinet is a feasible solutions for your option. And also this module we still designed it with the functions of storage. So, and once you would like to do the calibration of this BNX screen, we just install the data inside the cabinet, inside the modules. Once any data is lost, it will get the data from the module. Okay, just let our technician to put back the module. Yeah, very quick service. And the last, I would like to show you a picture to see how the cabinet will be combined with multiple size. The picture. Yeah, as you can see, there are different types of shapes we can combine it with the cabinet size, and the curved shape, the curving shape, both of the sides could be cut to do the Kuhn solutions. It will also see the Kuhn solution from our booth, but it is not the cabinet BNX. Is another series introduced by our colleagues, and also. So that's all the basic features I would like to introduce to you for our BNX series. I would like to show you the more visual effect on our booth. Let our colleague Jack March show you our screen on booth. Jack March.
Thank you, Catherine. Welcome back. Here we go. After my colleague introduced about BNX series, so now let we see the real products. Behind me, you can see this is a gun, and we use the BNX series to make this design. And this one, the pixel is P1.9. And the BNX series is a professional fixed indoor LED signage. You can assemble any idea, and you assemble any designing as you want. So, BNX series mostly used for signage and for TV studio, for shops, for cinemas, for airports, museums, anything, any designing you want, you can use it. Different size, different size, and with different pixel. If you're interested for this one, please contact us. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for the Jack Mark introduction of our BNX screen on the booth. As you can see on our booth, there is a gun was displayed on our booth. So it shows how many types of the screen shape could be our BNX make. So the next part is I would like to show you more details from our BNX 3D videos to let you have a direct look of our BNX series. Please video. Okay, so after video, I suppose you must be very clear about all the features our BNX cabinet has. So let's come to our promotion part. Have you entered into our broadcast room? As you can see in our recheck, behind the video, there are different columns for your options. The first one, and I would like to first to tell you, is our coupon. You can see the coupon. There are several coupons for your options. The first one is the $200 and $300 and $500 and the biggest coupon is the $800. Yeah, you can choose the one you would like and you prefer to get the coupon for our exhibition products. And the next part is the stock. We have many stock in our Shenzhen and Holland, and we are going to ship more stock into our Holland for the 7 to 10 days quick delivery. As you can see here, it rises the 1,600 square meter for BNX series. So just feel free to contact us for the promotion price and get the one you prefer. Okay, that's all the promotion part for our BNX series. Okay, next I would like to introduce our another product is WNX series for your reference. Okay, this is our WNX series soft module, right? As you can see, I just alter the module. Yeah, when I alter into the inner art and outer art, all could be 45 degrees. Yeah, and the first of all, I would like to give you the overall features of this product. This product is indoor fixed installation. The smallest pitches is 1.9, and then the 2.6, 2.9, and 3.9 for your options. The module size is 250 millimeter by 250 millimeter, so it's very convenient module size to achieve different multiple 250 millimeter screen size for your request. And then you can see behind the cabinet, behind the module, there are different sessions. Yeah, this is the practice session. This session is designed to prevent the PCB and the left surface to be deformed protected from the deformation and damage. And as you can see, there are many magnets around the two sides of the module. What is the function of the magnets? I suppose you must guess that it is for installation, right? It is for installation. So you just need to make a steel structure, simple steel structure, or customized cabinet. Just fix it with this magnets. It is strong magnet for installing the module on the cabinets. And you must have a question about this curved module. How many pieces it can be a circle, right? So for this module, 250 by 250 millimeter, it 8 modules to complete a circle or cylinder. So if you have any request for the shopping mall, retail store, any other stores for doing a special type of the screen, our WNX series is a very best option. And let's see the more details of the module. As you can see, there is the pink, right? This is the pink. The position pillar. So once you install the module, you can connect it with the next module, easily connect it, and makes it concise and accurate when you mounted the module on the cabinet and steel structures. And then behind the module, you can see there are 2 pins. One pin is for the signal connection, the other pin is for the power connection. All these pins will be combined with signal cable and power cable, which is connected to the control box. The control box I will show you in our videos. The control box will include power supply and the receiving card and the hub. Our control box will be cascade connection instead of the module. Module just will be connected by the flat cables into the control box. Our control box, one control box is connected with 8 modules. So you just need to come clearly about your screen size for how many modules you need, and then to combine with our control box to light up your screen. Yeah, the next part I would like to show you is our service. So as you can see, I already mentioned there are many magnets on our module. So you just need to use many tools to pull off the module and to replace the module when you are doing the service work. And if there are any problem happen to your power supply and receiving card, you just need to open our control box to replace it. Okay, so that is all the basic feature I would like to introduce for our WNX series. Next, I would like to display a video for your more clearly look. Okay, please video. Okay, that's all the features for our WNX displayed in our videos. Actually, there are another customized solution will be introduced our colleague Suki for the corner solution, just for the corner to be the concave and convex shape. So let's move to our promotion part. As you can see behind the video, just I mentioned, there are coupon. Yeah, oh, we also have coupon for this product. There are also the same coupon is 200, 300, 500, 800 coupon US dollars for our exhibition WNX series and all other products. And we also have this stock. The stock for WNX series is 200 square meters, both in our or in our Shenzhen stock. You can get it from our Shenzhen just with around 10 days quick delivery, EXW, our Shenzhen factory. Okay, so that's all my introduction of WNX series. The next part will be introduced by our colleague Suki. Welcome, Suki.
Okay, hello everyone. This is Suki. Thank you so much, Catherine, for your detailed introduction. So for my part, I'm going to introduce you two indoor solutions. The first one I'm going to introduce you is called GN Plus series. This one is the standard indoor solution. And another one I'm going to introduce you is indoor fine pitch product, and that will be introduced later at the next part. Okay, so this is our GN Plus series. It is a standard indoor solution. As you can see, its cabinet size is 500 by 1 meter. And we have another option as 500 by 500. So for this product, I'm going to introduce you firstly some basic information, and secondly, I'm going to introduce you some functions, and lastly, we will introduce its install and service. So here we go. So for this part, for this product, we have several pixel options, like the minimum we can do for it is 1.5, and then we have 1.9, 2.5, 2.6, 3.9. So for this one, and it can be widely applied to many retail shops, like retail shops and meeting rooms, shopping malls, and etc. As you can see, for standard indoor solution, its thickness is just 81 millimeters, so it's quite suitable for indoor solution. Apart from that, one cabinet weight is just 13.5 kilogram. So you can see this is quite a labor saving. So let's go to more details for its structure. So let's see its backside first. As you can see, this cabinet is made by die-casting aluminum. As we all know, die-casting aluminum is quite strong, so it is quite strong to protect from any collision. Apart from that, we leave a lot of hollow design at the back of the cabinet. So this is quite good for the heat dissipation. Apart from that, as we know, installation, we need many space for quick and easy install. So we do leave many hollow space at the backside at the cabinet. So when client or when the engineer to install a cabinet on site, they will have more space to operate, which is quite convenient for them. So let's see, this is the power in and power out, and we have the signal upside, like here and here. And at the side of the cabinet, it is the parameter sticker to show how what's the electrical parameter of this cabinet. Apart from that, we also have the cables like this, and the signal cable we will show you later by our on-site Jack Ma. So this is how it's designed on the backside of the structure. And as you can see, we also leave the space of the 45 degree besides of the cabinet. That means when we make the cut corner solution, the cabinet will not be broken. And this is what we intentionally designed when our R&D department developed this product. So this product can make a cut corner solution. Apart from that, as you can see, we do have full protection corner at full corner. So this will help us to prevent the LED bumping when we are installing or transporting our products. Apart from that, so let's disassemble a module from this cabinet to let us see more details of a module. 拆一个模组，好复杂。没有 ，OK， 你线可以拔下来吗？ 拆中间的行不行 ？So when we take down the module, we need to take down the corner protection in case any bumping. 这边是吗 ？OK， 好，相体扶着哦。Sure， 好。So let's have a look at this module. As you can see, we did not have any shell at the edge of the module. This is for better flatness. As we know, for a smaller pixel pitch, when the module stick to the cabinet, its flatness is quite a problem. So we have this special design to guarantee that when the module stick to the cabinet, its flatness is good. Because you see, this is the PCB, and the PCB will stick to the cabinet direct. And let's see, and besides, we do have the handle at the back of the module. So when engineered to take down the module, I mean, when there is any something broken on the module, we need to take it down. So we do have this handle to operate it quite easy. So we can prevent any module falling down. And besides, you can see that we do have some signal direction here. So it will better help us to recognize the direction when the engineer doing the install work or when they are doing the service work. So, and besides, we do have the sticker here to showing which batch. So if you do have any after-sales service required us, so you can see this sticker to track which batch you are using, and we do have on our record. So this is what we do additionally for the after-sales guarantee. 好了，可以装回去。哎，等一下。Besides, as you can see from here, this part is the fast lock. So when we install, we will use this part fast lock to greatly decrease our labor saving, and this is quite time saving. Okay, so Aaron, would you please help me to put it back? Thank you. 可以吗？我负责。So this is the basic information. Apart from this, we do have some additional function for this product. Let's. So we will open the control box for your further look. As you can see, we have a power supply here, and we do have a receiving card here. Apart from that, we do leave some space to put another power supply here. We can have another power supply here, and we do have the space for another receiving card. So we call this double backup. So in case one receiving card or power supply broke down, another one can replace and keep working, so the screen or this cabinet will not be blocked out. So this is quite important, and it can help our cabinet to keep stable. Easy maintenance. Okay. So this is the basic information and the function of our GN Plus series. So apart from this, I would like to introduce its installation way of this product. So for this one, it can be hanging, stacking, and with some frames, we can also wall mount it. So for the stacking, we do have the stacking structure to offer, and also we also have the hanging structure. So if you do have any needs on this, please don't hesitate to contact us. So for most fixed installation, many clients were concerned of the service part. So for this product, it can be both front service and back service. So for front service, we will use a magnetic tool. 我们有工具吗？ So we will use the tool. Like we can use this, we call this vacuum tool, and we have this magnetic tool. These two are both optional, so it depends on you which one you prefer more. So let's invite our engineer Aaron to show how to do the front maintenance. As you can see, the operation is quite easy. We just need to stick our tool on the cabinet, and just by pressing the tool, and the module will be stick out. Quite easy. And as we mentioned before, we do have the handle to pull the module out. So this is all for the easy operation. OK， 好了，放回去吧。哎，展示一下后维护。 So many clients may also concerned of the rear service. How can the module be taken out from the back side? So we will also invite Aaron to do the rear service of this module. Okay. So we take down the module from the front. 然后呢，你后维护可以吗？ 对，你要从这个拿到后面可以吗？Okay, we take the module down. 这就结束了。Okay, so this is quite easy as you can see. So this is the basic information of our GN Plus. Apart from that, some clients may concern of the viewing angle. The viewing angle of this product is by horizontal, it is 170, and by vertical, it is 140. So you can see we do have wide viewing angle for this product. So actually, the biggest feature of this product, as we mentioned before by my colleague Catherine, this product can be combined with our BNX and WNX. So as we know, we will meet a lot of projects that will require 250 height extra. But to solve this, most of the cabinets are 500 by 500 or 500 by 1000. So to solve this, we can use this product with our BNX together. So we can have the 750 millimeter height, or we do have 1250 height. And we can do this for both height and width. So to better show you, we do have a picture to see how all these products can be combined together. As you can see, we do have our GN Plus, BNX, and WX to be combined together like the left one. And for the right one is the GM Plus and the BNX. And so actually we do have an exhibit and big curved screen at our booth. So let's invite Jack Ma to show us more details and to see its visual effects. Jack Ma, please.
Huh? Welcome back. Thank you, Suki. After my colleague introduced about the GN Plus series, and now here we see here one cube. We use GN Plus series make one magic cube, and for use the GN Plus series, we can make any idea straight and 90-degree and the cube. If you need, you can use GN Plus series to make it. Okay. After that, and we see one big thing. You can see behind me. Behind me is not normal products. Okay, it's like a fish. Now, zoom out, and we can see behind me is one big fish tank. It's one big fish tank, and we use the two series products. One is we use the curve one, use WNX series, and the straight one we use the GN Plus series with two products to make one creative design. You can see with the 3D video, the fish is like real, right? The fish is like real. So with the two series makes the creative designing. As my colleague introduced about this one, our curve modules is different with other companies. And the GN Plus series plus curve WNX series, these two can make curve plus straight. So with the two series, you can make fish tank. You can make anything you need. Okay? We can see here, it's like very creative, very beautiful, perfect products. The fish is like real, right? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Jack Ma. So for this product, as we mentioned before, this is our standard product. So we have a large of stock of this product. So we do have 2.6 and 3.9, and as you can see, we do have the stock information below our column, on the columns below. So if you do want to know more stock information, you can kindly click the button of stock, and you will see how much and what pixel pitch and what standard component of our stock of this product. Besides, we do have also coupon for this product. So if you would like to know more, please feel freely to click the button to check more. Or you can also email us, and our colleague will give you more details. So this is the basic information of GN Plus I would like to share. So to refresh our ideas, I did prepare a video for us to review again. So let's enjoy it. Okay, welcome back. So let's continue with our second product. So for this one, it is the professional indoor fine pitch product. We call it HNA. For this one, I'm going to introduce by three aspects like the one we did before for GM+. So I will give you some basic information of this product. And secondly, I will introduce its structure. And lastly, we will introduce its install and service. So here we go. So for this product, as you can see, its cabinet size is 600 by 337.5 millimeter. So you may ask why the cabinet size sounds a little bit strange. Actually, this is the standard 16 by 9 cabinet, which means we can just use this cabinet by multiples, by times, and we will get a standard 16 by 9 ratio screens. So for this product, let's start with its basic information. The minimum of this product we can do for that is 0.9 millimeter. As we all know that 0.9 millimeter is quite becoming popular in our market, especially for indoor and boardroom solution. So this is so our product can fit for that pixel. Apart from that, we do have 1.2, 1.5, and 1.8 as options. So as one cabinet, we do have 4 modules. So one module size is 150 by 337.5 millimeter. So we use this large module for easy installation. So for fine pitch solution, we can widely use in boardroom application, airport, and some high-end like meeting room and some chain stores, etc. So this can work for many applications. So as we mentioned, this cabinet size is 16 by 9. So for some clients would prefer 2K screens. So we use this product for 0.9. We just need 3 by 3 pieces cabinet. We can make a 2K. So for 1.5, we need 4 by 4 pieces cabinet to make a 2K. So as you can see, it is quite easy to achieve our 2K screens. Not mentioned for 4K. It's just a double. So let's go to more details of this product. So let us let's see its backside first, because it might be easier. So as you can see, its appearance is quite neat. We just have the testing button here, so you can test some simple LED display visuals by this testing button. And below of it, we have the parameter sticker, so you can easily know its electricity parameters. So let's invite our and you see we do have the handle here. So engineer to install, or yes, you can see one man can operate can take one cabinet easily, and this handle is designed for this use. So let's go to more details of this cabinet. Let's invite Aaron to take down one module to see more details of inside. Okay. As you can see, we use 2 tools for the service. One is by this maintenance tool, and actually we do have, so this tool is actually same as what we just demonstrated for the GM+. So the tools is common for our product. So let's see more details on these modules. As you can see, we do not have any back shell of this product. That is for good flatness. As we mentioned before, for 5-pitch flatness, is the gap control is quite hard to for many suppliers. So we decided to take the back shell off for better flatness. And we do have the sticker on the module to track which batch we are using. So if we do have any after-sale service, we can easily track which batch we use for this one. 可以再拆多一个吗? So we will invite our engineer Aaron to take down one more module to see its structure inside better. So as you can see, our structure. So we do have the danger sticker here. This is standard for all our products. So this is the safety. It shows that we're caring engineers' safety. So we will remind them that this is the power in port to remind them. This is just for the warm remind. And as you can see, we do have the receiving card here, and we have the power supply this way. So since we have its modules out, I would like to recommend one function of this module. Is that actually we do have the flash module to the smart module of this product. That means we can store and manage the calibration data. As we know, for 5-pitch products, we will do the calibration all the time. So if the calibration data is missing, we will need to read it from the receiving card, which is quite complicated. But to solve this problem, we do have the smart module options, which means we can reread the data from the module itself. So we do not have to send the data from the receiving card back again. So we will decrease a lot of work by this. Apart from that, for smart module, it can also to detect the LED working status. That means when there is LED broken, we can use this smart module systems to easily detect which LED broken, and we can get it fixed quite quickly. So let's come back to this cabinet. As we mentioned before, this product is used in the boardroom and some airport projects and some high-end projects. So stability is quite an issue here. To solve this problem, we did leaving some space to have one more receiving card and one more power supply in the cabinet. That means dual backup. So when one receiving card broke down or the one power supply broke down, we can have another one to replace it and keep working without the screen broken out. This is our intention designed for this. Apart from that, for this product, as it is used for high-end projects, we have another technology called ABS technology. What does ABS technology means? Well, for ABS technology, it means we will have the power supply here of this cabinet will share the current and will share the current to the adjacent cabinet. That means if this power supply of this cabinet is broken down, another one can keep working because this one power supply will support the adjacent cabinet. This is called ABS technology, and this is unique for this product. So apart from that, as you can see, our modules and cabinets are all without wire cables to connect each other. That means all our design of this project, we adopt wireless connection, so it can better to detect, to decrease the fail out rate. That because as you know, if we use more cables to connect the modules and cabinets, the more potential fail out rate will be there. So we greatly decrease the cable quantity between these two parts. So we will also, from this part, we greatly decrease the fail out rate. So this is the basic information of this project. So let's invite our engineer Aaron to install the modules back. As you can see, the install back way is quite easy, and because we do have the magnet at the four corners, so when the module are closing to the cabinet, it will stick to the cabinet automatically by the location of the magnetic. So the way putting back is quite easy and quite fast. So for this product, we do have another energy saving solution. As we all know that energy saving solution is required more and more by many countries. So for this product, we also have the energy saving version. We can either choose to decrease the 20% of this. We can either choose to decrease 20% of the power supply, the power consumption, or to increase 20% of its brightness. So both options are available. So these are the basic information of our HN8 series. So after introducing its function and its basic information, let's go with its installation way. So for this product, as you can see, it's quite slim and light. The thickness of one cabinet is just 40 millimeters, so it is quite suitable for wall mounted. Apart from that, we also offer the hanging bar for this project. So if you have requirements on this regard, you can feel free to contact us for more information. Apart from that, this cabinet is quite light. Yes, as you can see, the one cabinet weight is just 7 kilograms, so it's quite light. So actually, I did prepare an install video for you to see more details, and it is better and easier for your understanding. So let's enjoy it. Okay, so as you can see from the video, our installation is quite easy for the fixed installation. Apart from that, you might notice that we do have the mounting frame on the video. Actually, we can offer that for you. So this is special for this product. So if you do have projects on the FinePage and the HNA My Suitable, you are welcome to contact our colleague for more information, and we are happy to do the whole solution for you. So this is for our HNA's installation. So for the, I also prepared another video of its service for your reference as for more ideas. So let's enjoy that video again. Thank you. Okay, so that's the basic information of this HNA. Apart from that, actually, the greatest selling point of this product is that our FinePage product can make the curve. So between the cabinets, it can make 8, 12, 18 degree curve. And inside the cabinets, it can make 8, 12, 18 degree curve. And between the cabinets, it can make 5 and -5 degree curve. So apart from that, for this product, we also have another option is that we can use it to make the one-in-all meeting system of the meeting bowl of this product. And actually, we do have a one-in-all meeting machine at our booth. So let's invite our colleague, Jack Ma, to show you its visual effects of this HNA curve effects. So Jack Ma.
开始了，来多久？快起来，起来，起来，起来 ！Hello, thank you, Suki. Thank you. Okay, here we go. After my colleague Suki introduced about the HNA series, and now we are here to see the real products. How is the screen look like? And here, behind me is HNA series, and the size is 4.8 by 2.7 meter. We can see here and the cabinet cabinet quantity is 8 by 8. So you can see the image is very clearly and high contract, and with the flatness cabinet, and ours, as my colleague introduced about this size, is a 16 by 9 cabinet, and this one are using for control room, meeting room, security, anything you need. And after we see the straight cabinet, now we see the curved cabinet. Okay, here we go. As you see, we introduce about our curved TV machine. You can see here the TV machine is make curved design. It's different with other company. As you see, so many companies they make the TV machine by straight design, but we make the difference. Why we make the difference? Because some government tender make the control room, they need the curved design. So we use this curved design to meet their inquiry. But the special thing is the curve is different with another company. As you see, you can see the top. The curve is very flatness. It's very flatness. Why the design is very flatness? It's because many companies they make the curve by cabinet, by one cabinet connecting one cabinet, but we make this one use the modules. It means each cabinet with the curve modules. This one modules, but it's not soft modules. Use the modules to make this curve, and you can see it's a seamless curve. It's a seamless curve. There's no any gap between the two cabinets. Yeah. So for meeting room, for control room, for cinema, for the any retail shops, for any events, for any shopping mall. If you need it, please contact us for this one. And after that, we come to see the back side. We see that curve, and we see behind this, the cabinet designing is very clearly. Test the bottom and the working lamps. We can see here, we use different cabinet to make the curve, and we use the curve modules to make the flatness curve. And with the very stronger structure to make the LED TV. If you need it, please contact us. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Jack Ma. As you can see, we do not have a curved all-in-one meeting board at our booth, but we also have a 4K screen at our booth. So this is actually our star product. So for our star products, we do, as you can see, at the bottom, we do have 600 square meter stock at our factory. So if you do have any needs, please you contact our colleague for more information. And as we mentioned before, our coupon is also applicable on this product. So you can click the bottom column to check more. So to review this, all the information of this product, let's enjoy the video to refresh our memory. So let's enjoy. that's the two products Suki will have introduced for you. So let me please allow me to remind you of our stock and our coupon information. So when you are in our live streaming room, you can see that we have several columns here. So the first one is Q&A and introduction of our company, and the third one is the stock. As when we click it, we can see we have many stocks of BNX, GM+, GN, WNX, HNA, and HNC. And the next column, we will have our coupon. So for coupon, you can see its value is ranging from $200 to $800. So it's a great special offer. So please don't hesitate to click it and get it and to purchase our product. So, and the last column is contact us. So if you have many more other questions on our project or on our activities, you can also contact us by this column. So that's all for my introduction of these two products. So let me introduce my colleague, Catherine, to see if we have some clients' question to answer. So Catherine.
对了，那个直播群在哪呀？
随便点。So Catherine, I saw this client asking that for BNX, do you have the hybridness solution? So do we?
Yeah, of course, we have hybridness solutions for installing behind the windows and facing any direct sunlight. The brightness could be up to 4,500 to 3,500 nits. Depends which the brightness you prefer.
Oh, I see. So we do have high brightness solution. Actually, we also have the high brightness solution for our GM Plus series. As we mentioned before, it is combined using with our BNX. So this is quite applicable to our GM Plus series. So let's check next question.
我问你一个吗？
可以啊。
As I can see, there is a question is that do you do the HNA series could beat power and signal backup, redundancy solution?
Yes, as we mentioned before, for our HNA series, it can be double PSU and receiving card backup. Apart from that, we do have the ABS technology, which is special for this product. That is adjacent power supply to support each cabinet. So these are the solutions that we designed to further strengthen our stability of HNA.
Okay, so referring to the GM Plus cabinet you just introduced, there is a question is, it is just only full front maintenance or both front and rear service?
So for this one, we can be both front and rear service, as we just showed during our live streaming show. So if you would like to know more information, you can. We will have a flashback of this video, and you can check it from there. Okay. So some client is asking about the cost of this product. So actually, you know, we do have different components for this product. So it is hard to offer you a cost on this live streaming show. So if you're interested, you can send your needs and your project information to our contact column, to our colleagues, and we will offer the solution accordingly and more suitable for your project with the cost for you. So don't hesitate to contact us.
Yeah, above all the products we just mentioned, there are coupons behind our below our broadcast launch video. So you just need to click the coupon and get the one you prefer. There are different coupons you can use referring to our many directions described in our coupons.
Yes, besides, as we mentioned before, as most of you might know that currently lead time for products for LED display, for LED cabinets is quite long if they don't have the stock.
Yeah.
So this is the big issue of this industry. However, as we mentioned before, we do have many stock at our factory. And as you can see, we do have some, at the quantity of this, we will rotate what stock we have at the bottom column, so you can check it all the time. So this is our, I can say this is our competitiveness, and all the stock can be delivered within 7 days. You see, this is quite beneficial for your business.
Yeah, don't hesitate to contact us for the promotion stock and get the coupon you want.
Of course. So that's it for our commercial and 5-page show, live show. So we will have another show that is on the outdoor application products. So it will begin.
Yeah. We'll see you later, half an hour.
Yes, it will in half an hour. So see you later.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.